So we're going to be installing the Lixada bike fork 3 litre water resistant roll top bag onto my fafrees f20 max. So what comes in the bag when you order off Amazon is actually they come in, you can select one or two. So I obviously selected two. It's the bag, the plastic housing. You get two straps to go around the bag when you have it kitted out. You get an extra clip and you get an Allen key and an extra turn screw. So that's what's in the bag. We will be now putting it onto the forks of my f20 max. So we're going to be opening up the jewelry clips, and basically what you do is just unscrew as you come out of the housing. So at the back you can see, hopefully, they're curved to fit around the forks, and then this will go around the back of the fork and back in, and you can tighten it, but we will have a look and install it now. So we have one just sitting on just to hold it, and we will the lock screw back in. This will end up doing like that jewelry clip. You'll tighten it and start pulling the excess cordage away from it and start tightening it up. Now I only put on one so far just so it will hold on to it. And I can actually get the rest on myself then as well, a bit easier. Put it back on the Allen key. And start tightening. You can make the final adjustments once the three of them are connected up. Have to make a few adjustments yourself for it to fit properly. I mightn't have room for my neck. Last one, as you can see, there's little grooves put out. And this one here is going to start interfering with that. But what I'll do is I'll have a look and then install it on. I might need it, but just to make sure. So that's tight enough. I don't need it too tight, taking one tight anymore anyway. And what I'm going to do is have a look, see can we get a sleeping bag there, or a tent at the back first, just to see. Yeah, no I can't, because I can't fit the last one because it's going around there as well. It's hitting that. So we finally got one on. I could only use the two plastic Jubilee clips on them. There is space for a third, and there's holes there for screwing putting on and securely mounted through screws or anything. We don't have them on mine, so I won't be screwing them on there, but the kit comes with these plastic Jubilee clips, and as you can see, the bottom one can't because of the brake disc and the braking mechanism at the back here as well. So that's one on. This is a 3 litre housing, and it's actually the perfect size for my fafrees F20 Max. You can get a 7 litre one. The 7 litre one would have been way too big for my bike. So yeah, I'll get back to you now when I have my bag on. I'll probably stuff with something just to show you. So we have the straps on. Again, as you see, there's different slots for the straps to go in. I can't put it in the bottom one because of the brake disc and everything else. So I have the bag just loaded up. Basically there's a few rags, cloths in here just so I can fill it out and seal at the top. I'm not putting my own gear into it yet, I'm just getting things ready on the bike. Actually the quality there, the welding is good. So yeah, we're just going to put it on. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut these down to size, so obviously there won't be pulling up in the brakes and the wheels or anything. It's sitting okay, yeah, you can get it tighter. And then as you want to take them off, there and there. But again, I will be cutting these. Very long. So that's the side. You can see the amount of litres written on the 3 is for 3 litres. Yeah, I'm happy with that one so far. Sits perfectly. This is on the base of it and everything, yeah. Back and the front. I'm actually pretty happy with that bag now. So what we'll do now is we'll do the exact same thing for the other side as well. And I'll get back to you as soon as that's done. So yeah, we have it done. We have the two of them on. And that's what it looks like. It's the two of them on. Let's swing over. Handlebars have a habit of doing that anyway. So yeah. Doesn't look too bad. Still a few things now to do. I have to put on my Garmin Edge 530. So it will get fairly busy up here. Indicators. Action cam. Wolfgang 420. Bag. I just have a spare case in there at the moment. Rearview mirrors. The adapters. Little suspension. Stop the phone bouncing, the camera shaking, damaging the camera. My lock. Yeah. Yeah. So we'll have a yeah, that's them fitted anyway. So thanks for watching. If you like, give us a like anyway yourselves and just let me know how I'm getting on.